Now we will see the other options. Okay, hyperlink. One is hyperlink. This is for apps for office. This menu. Okay, recently used apps. Okay, and this is for online video. If you want to insert online video, you can do that, right? Then comes the hyperlink. Okay, what is hyperlink? Hyperlink is any link to the internal document or the external document. Okay, internal document means on this computer. Okay, if I have a report, okay, report, video, right, and these are the two links. I want to make it link so that when I click on report, the report will be opened. Okay, so I I select this, go to hyperlink, and I go here and choose the drive E, and we have this, and I have documents here, and I want this course selection form. Okay, course selection form. This is the report, right? And for the video, I select it and I go to hyperlink, and then video. Public videos. I go here and introduction to MS Office, right? This is the video. This is the video link, right? So I select from here, from this, and introduction to MS Office, right? And then these are the two links. Okay, when I place cursor here, it says control click to follow link. Okay, control click. I press control. You see the hand? I press control again. Okay, I click it. Okay, let's see this. Click this. Okay, you see this says yes. Okay, this is the report. Okay, this is the report. Now if I go here and now I select the video, I press control key, this is the hand, and now I click it, single click, and I press yes.
Welcome to
this is professional video open. Okay, so this is
Microsoft Office is used to communicate.
Okay, so these are internal links. For web links, I have click here to search. Click here to go to Google. Okay, Google. I press this. Okay, and hyperlink, and this time I will use HTTP hypertext transfer protocol www.google.com. okay, and I press OK, right? This is the link. Now I press control, this is the end, and I click once. Okay, unable to open cannot locate the internet server or proxy server, cannot locate, because there is no internet connection, otherwise it will go to internet. Okay, where it is used, for example, you have a document where Office, MS Office, and we have equal to rand, these two brackets, and this is the text. Now click here to open video, click here to see, to watch details, okay, after the text. Now what I will do is I will go here, right click it, and I will go here and go to this hyperlink, then press this, and then press this, and press this, and no, this is not the right path. The path is this, right? Introduction to MS Office, for example, this. Okay, now user will see this title, he will read this, and after this, for the details, he will press Control and click. Okay, it will open it again, this presentation. This is the detail. Okay,
Microsoft Office Professional Training.
okay,
Microsoft Office.
okay. This is how we will use the links, hyperlink. Okay, now I go here. I can also open a picture. For example, click here to open picture. Okay, so select it, go to hyperlink, and this time I will use desktop, documents, pictures, and this thumbnail, right? And OK. Now I press Control, there is a hand, and I press once, click it, and press yes. You see this picture? Okay, I can open picture also. This is the hyperlink. Okay, hyperlink, and then there is bookmark. What is a bookmark? Bookmark is like we have chapter 1, and in the next page, this is the next page, and I will use this, for example, we have this chapter 2, then on the page 3 I have chapter 3, okay. These are the 3 chapters in my book. Okay, so if chapter 1 contains 10 pages or 20 pages, I want to go, or I want to see the information, direct information. How to do that? I will use this chapter 1, and I will select it, go to bookmark, and then I will write the bookmark name. Chapter 1, for example, I would name it CH1. Do not use space. Okay, you see the button is disabled, there is no space. Chapter, or you can write chap 1 or chapter 1 for CH1. Add. Okay, now bookmark has been added. Okay, and For chapter 2, selected, go to bookmark, and this time ch2, add. For chapter 3, double click it, select it, bookmark, ch3, and add. Okay. Now I am on the chapter 1. I am reading the text, this text, for example, equal to rand, and this is the information. I want to go to chapter 3. Okay. The first option is I use this bar, okay, and go down chapter 3. This is chapter 3, right? Now if there are 100 pages in chapter 1, then, and if I use this bar, it is difficult for me, right? What I do is I go to bookmark and I select chapter 3 and go to, it will directly go to chapter 3. Now I am reading chapter 3 and I want to go to chapter 1. I will select ch1 and go to, so I am on chapter 1. This is chapter 1, right? If I go to chapter 2, I will select ch2 and go to, this is chapter 2. So this is how we manipulate using links. These are all links, hyperlink, bookmark, this is link. Okay, I should select all, Control A, and delete it. Okay. Now cross reference. What is a cross reference? Cross reference is, for example, I am on page 2. I go to page 2, enter, right? Page 2, and I insert a picture. Picture is this, right? Okay. And on the page 1, I have some information. Like MS Office, and I type equal to rand, and I have this information. See this picture for detail. Okay, and I want to make it first of all I want to make this picture. I will press delete. Okay, I select this and go to references, this tab, references, and insert caption. Okay, and I should press OK. So you will see figure 1 here. This is figure 1. Okay, now I add reference. To this text. See this picture for detail, and I go to insert and cross reference. This time I will select picture. This is figure, okay, figure, and this is figure 1, and I insert it. Press insert, right? This has been inserted. Cross reference has been inserted. Now I go here, I read it. I read this MS Office, all the detail, and now I will use click below to see picture, to see figure. Okay, so when I go here, it says control click to follow link. For example, I press control, this is hand, and I single click, directly I go to that picture. Maybe this picture may be on page 100, it will go directly to that picture. There are pages for the pictures, and there are pages in the chapters, and for the detail, to see the picture, to see the tables, to see the diagrams, we can link using cross reference. This is a reference, right? Okay, now we have only 2 pages here. We have, maybe this picture may be on the page 100. Okay, and when I click this figure 1, it will directly go to that. Okay, this is called link. Okay, now I want to add comment. Okay, I should go here and I will press this, and this is the comment. Okay, for example, I should remove this. No, I should go here and comment on comment. I should go here and I should comment on this paragraph. Okay, this text is written by a student, and I am checking this this text, and I comment. How can I comment? Remove this paragraph. This is the comment. Okay, and this paragraph I read it, and my comment is good. Okay, it is good. Now I select it and I go to comment, and about this paragraph my comment is weak prepositions used. Okay, this is the comment. So I have multiple comments. When I click this, okay, this is the comment. Okay, this is the comment about this paragraph, this is the comment about this paragraph. Okay, so I can use comments. Okay, now for example, I should select all and delete. Okay, now header and footer is used. Header is top of the page and footer is bottom of the page. Okay, and I want to see I want to write an experience letter, okay, or a letter about a student. I will use header first, and maybe this header is better, right? And I will use document title is GTI, National Institute of Computers. Okay, this is the header. Okay, now I double click, okay, to write the information. The information is I will go to home and center, and I will add to whom it may concern. Okay, and I will press shift, right arrow, left arrow, and I will make it bold, and font should be like 16. Okay, and it should be underlined. Okay, now what I do is I will remove the underline, bold, and I will select left alignment. Okay, and font should be 12. Okay, I press tab. This is to inform you that Mr. Ali is son of Mr. Akara, is student in our college. His performance is performance is good in first two tests. Okay, and I can write other information, and in the bottom I should write regards director and then signature. Okay, director Nix. Okay, now I go to insert and I will go to footer, and in the footer I will use this format. Okay, type here, this is Nix second floor Southern, and then I will write email support@nix.com. This is and now I should write telephone 0312 458764. Okay, this is the telephone, contact information in the footer. Okay, so this is our letter. You see this letter, and on top of it is National Institute of Computers, and I can write different some information, and then signatures, and then we have footer. Okay, if I go here and see the print preview is, this is the print preview. Okay, this is the information, and you can, okay, there must be a line here. Okay, there must be a line. How to insert a line? Very simple. Go here and write this line, press enter. Okay, now I should see the print preview. Before printing anything, see the print preview. This is the print preview. Okay, I should 100%, I should see 100%, and this is okay, right? Now I go here and page number. For example, page number, I should add some page number here. So I will go here and click on it, and top of the page. Top of the page means this top of the page left. This is the page number. If I want to add page number in the bottom of the page, for example, on the top of the page, but center. So this is center. If I want to see it in the bottom of the page, I will select bottom of the page, and in the center, this is in the center of the bottom of the page. This is the page number, right? For the page second page, it will automatically, for the second page, this is the okay, this is page number 1, and this is page number 3, page number 4, page number 5. Automatically these pages have been added. I have pressed enter many times, and 7 pages, 10 pages, 8 pages. Okay, this is how this works. Now this is the page number. I should select all and delete. I should open a new document, new and blank document. Okay, to save the time. Okay, now insert and text box. Where the text box is used? Text box is used, for example, I am making a flyer, or some website design. Okay, so this is the news section. I will write news. Okay, we will news 1, and I will use home and this bullet. Okay, we will visit National Park on Friday. Okay, this is one. Second is your third exam is due on Monday and the date. Okay, exam. This is exam, right? Okay, I will right click, and this is exam. Okay. Exam. Okay, and on the right hand side, what I will do is I will type rand some information, right? Rand, and this is the information on the right hand side. Okay, and I go to next page, for example. You see, next page, some other next page design is I can select text box, this text box. Okay, this is the next page design, and I will just go here and put this here and put the information here, and equal to rand and 2 brackets and enter. Okay, so this is how we use text box. Okay, now I should select all and delete. Okay, I am on the insert tab and quick parts. For example, I have written a document rand, and this is the document, and there are pages, and I should add some auto text or document property. For example, what is the author name? Okay, author is, for example, Ali is the author. Ali has written this. Okay, next is I should add document property, and I should add company name. Okay, company name is Nix. Okay, this is the company name. So about the document, we can add properties, we can add different things. Okay, I can add fields. Then comes the word art. Word art is, this is the information about this is the information we have, and we can write we want to add institute name there. For example, this is the format. Okay, and I should type National Institute of Computers. Okay, and this information should be this information. This is like this, right? And I can choose other styles. I can choose here other styles. Other styles are, for example, word art, and then this is okay, Control Z, and this time I can use this. I can use this, right? I can use this. Okay, so I can position it here. Okay, this is the position. I can use different styles, for example this. Okay, there was another shape effects. Shape effects are glow, soft edges, 25 point. Okay, reflection. Okay, we can use, and I can fill it with color. For example, this is the color, right? This is the color. Okay, and then I can do Word art, I can use this, and it will insert again. Okay, now I can rotate it, flip 90 degree, this like this on the page behind the information, right? And now the signature. For example, I have written this information and I want to add signature at the end. Okay, I want to add information, signature line. Signature line is add signature, Microsoft Office signature, and for example Ali as signer, and signature title is manager, and suggestions email is ali@gmail.com. Okay, and I press OK. So this is the signature line. Okay, and he will do the write the signature over here. When I print, then he will write signature here, and then I should write date and time, and I should select this. This is date and time, and this is date and time, right? I can use I can also insert an object. For example, this is an object. Object is, for example, bitmap image, and I should add this. This is bitmap image. I should write Ali. A L and I. This is the signature, right? This is the bitmap, and I should go here, and this is bitmap. Whatever is written in whatever we do in Microsoft Paint, this is Microsoft Paint, bitmap image, Microsoft Paint. That is bitmap image. Okay, I close it, and that will be inserted over here, Ali. Okay. Now we have equations. For equation, for example, I am writing some mathematics. There is no symbol on the keyboard summation. There is no symbol, this symbol. There are a lot of symbols that are not present, and I can use, for example, this equation. Okay, and I can use, for example, x power n 3. I can use Control Z, and I should use for example this n. I should use 5. I should use the here 6. I should delete it and then press 6. So summation is there, you see, summation, and I can manipulate this equation. Okay, these are equations. Okay, this is for equation, and then we have this in the insert. We have symbols, different symbols. For example, there is no beta on the keyboard, and I want to press beta. This is beta, alpha plus beta, right? And if I use, there are a lot of symbols. If I go here, and you can see a lot of symbols. There are a lot of symbols, right? There are a lot of symbols. Different languages. I should use, this is the keyboard, and I can use, for example, this symbol. This symbol, okay, and insert, and I can use this 1 2 3 in the round. There inside the circles there are numbers. There are numbers inside the circle. These are okay. For example, you are writing maths, okay, maths for children, and you press 1, you press 3, okay, insert 3, and you can manipulate it, okay, close it and then manipulate it, manipulate using this, okay. You see this 3, and you can write here, you can put table, and this is ONE1, and for the general you can write 2, okay. So this is how you document you insert pictures, you insert smart art, you insert text, you insert headers, footers, comments, links, okay, illustrations, tables, pages, symbols, okay. So this is how you do it. So this was our insert tab, right? So we will have an assignment after this, okay, assignment about insert tab, okay. Now you must have some control over the keys and how you can manipulate the text and images. This is the control insert, right? Next is we will do design, how to design a page. We will do that, right? After insert we will see how design tab works, right? So you will have to submit this assignment. Assignments are very important. Without assignments you cannot learn, okay. So there is a problem with this, you see this institute. So this is, I press this, and this is National Institute of Computer Sciences. Without assignment there are problems, okay. You cannot learn, and in the exam will be difficult, not easy, right? Okay, so you have to practice this information many times, watch this video many times, and practice it, okay. Because this Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Access, these tools are used everywhere, in the businesses, in the companies, in the government, media, everywhere. Everyone uses this. Everyone has to write some report, some text, some email, okay. Maybe some authors have to write books, okay. And same is a company has accounting department. For accounting you can use Excel, and then for the presentation, to present your progress, again you use presentations, PowerPoint, and then to save the data you use Access, Relational Database Management System, okay. We will do every option just like this we are doing, right? The remaining part, for example, when I click this, there are many options. These are very easy, okay. Change the shape to this, for example, I can change this to this shape. You can change it, okay. You can use, this is very simple, okay. You can change the shape to this, okay. Now draw the text box or shape outline, just click it and use the options, okay. Text effects, bring back and bring forward, we will use that. Bring, I think that is in the page layout. Yes, in the page layout. Send backward, we will use these options here. Position, okay. So there are multiple times they have given in this, okay. We will use design. After the design we will have a complete assignment, okay.